Hi, this is John Tripp. In this video, we want to introduce to you the Darwino Playground. The Darwino Playground is going to help you to explore the possibilities of the Darwino platform. At this point, the Darwino Playground has three main areas: the API Explorer, the DarwinoDB Query Explorer, and the documentation. We'll go through a little bit on each one. From the API Explorer, you can discover all of the APIs that are exposed by the Darwino platform. For instance, by executing the getDatabaseCollection API call, you can see the list of databases that is available on the server. The output of this call, like all of our API calls, is a JSON object with a list of all of the available databases on the server. The output of this call, like all of our API calls, is a JSON object with a list of all of the available databases. Another example is the getDocumentCount function, which, when you pass it a parameter of the database name, in this case news, you get a count of the number of documents in the news database, which you can see in this case is 3,803. Using the API Explorer, you can look around and play with the different API calls that are available on the platform, including the synchronization API calls. The second feature that we'll go over in the playground is the DarwinoDB Query Explorer. With the Query Explorer, you can see how queries are built, how parameters might be used to modify queries, and what the resulting data set that is returned by the query will look like. On the left, you see there's several pre-built queries that you can choose, modify, and then see the results. For instance, you can also get a count of the number of entries returned, which in this case is limited to 20. But you can remove that limit and get the full set of documents in the database, which is actually 1,000. If you need to understand exactly what's going on in the background of the query, you can look at the generated SQL for the query as well. DarwinoDB also allows you to categorize and aggregate the results of your queries. Here we are categorizing all of the documents by the manufacturer. Another interesting feature of the DarwinoDB is the extract feature. Using this feature, you can transform the data using joins and calculation operators if you choose, so that you can really get the JSON results that you want. We'll continue to add to the Darwino Playground over time. Check back to darwino.com to see where we're at.